it's super easy. Just get all the stuff in the blender and get going. Hi, welcome to Chicago Magazines in the Kitchen. Today we're making two salsas from Carnitas Uruapan. One is this nice spicy avocado situation. The other is a tomato jalapeno one, and let's get down to business. For this avocado salsa, it's super easy. This is pretty much just get all the stuff in the blender and get going. First off, we're gonna get a couple of avocados in here. I've got half of one in here already. We want 2 total. So we'll just scoop those in. I would show you the insides of these avocados, but they have seen better days, and so I'm hiding them from you. This one is beautiful. Look at her. It actually lifts out pretty easy if you kind of scoop around the edge first and then lift it up. No cotto left behind, almost. Next, we're gonna add some juice from about 3 limes, a couple of serrano chilies. You don't have to worry too much about how perfectly they're chopped, or in the garlic's case, not chopped at all, because we're blending this. We're gonna add about 1/4 cup of cilantro. That's 2 cloves of garlic, by the way. About 1/2 cup of chopped white onion, some olive oil, and then a little bit of water. We're gonna go ahead and blend this, and then from there, we'll test it and see if it needs any salt or any more water to kind of get the consistency right. Once it gets to a nice kind of creamy-ish consistency, you can taste it and see how you're feeling about it. If it's a little bit too thick for your liking, add a little bit more water and blend it up again. Taste it and go ahead and add whatever salt you think you need. You can go ahead and store it in the fridge until you're ready to serve. Recommend maybe popping the avocado pit back in here. It'll keep it from getting too brown. It's otherwise ready to go. So for this tomato salsa, we've got about 4 or 5 tomatoes that we've chopped up, jalapeno, and some garlic powder. It's gonna cook until the vegetables get soft, so it's about 10 minutes. We're gonna try to get about 1 cup of this tomato jalapeno liquid out of here. I'm gonna kind of push it through a strainer. We've got some, but I believe there's more in here. All right, let's see how much we've got. It's definitely not 1 cup, but okay, so that's about 1/2 cup. You want to try to get as much out of these tomatoes as you can. Ideally, kind of squeeze every last drop of liquid out of here and see what you can get. I think we got a little bit more, which is good. We got about 2/3 of a cup, but you can try to get a little bit more. So that'll go in here. All right, and after we've gotten the liquid in here, we're also gonna just go ahead and add in the rest of this tomato mix, 2 jalapenos worth of pickled jalapenos. And then we're gonna blend this up. A mixture in there. We've also got this chopped cilantro and then this pickled jalapeno water. So just some of the brine from our jar of pickled jalapenos. I'll mix that up. And so just add your salt to taste. Like this only needs a little bit. All right. Good to go. All right, it's time to taste. We'll start with the tomato. It's a little on the loose side. It is spicy. Keep in mind, I am a spice baby, not like as cool as a spice girl, but it's got some heat to it. I mean, it does have 2 kinds of jalapenos in it. It's really good. It's super refreshing. Then this avocado one. It looks nice and sweet, right? It looks very gentle. No. It's got some heat and it's really good. And I love both of them, but I really love this one. But the final test is, how do they work with beer? I'll be spending some time figuring out the answer to that.